Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable predictive text on Windows 10. So to disable and turn off predictive text on Windows, firstly click on Start, then Settings. In here click on Devices. Now in this left side panel you will see typing, so click on it. Scroll down. Here you will see option Show Text Suggestions as I type. So if you want to disable and turn off predictive or suggestion text, so slide it to off. You need to slide it to off. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this basic and simple video we can know how to disable predictive text on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.